F McDonald's. I did not want to get no minimum wage job this summer. I wanted to be my own boss and make my own money on my own schedule because the summer is the perfect time for people to have parties, events, and everything else. I decided to start selling tacos. It's better than buying your own food and cooking it, so there isn't no downside. So that's exactly why I started this business, and in this video, I'm gonna take you along on what it's like to be the taquero. So enough of the yapping, let's just get right into it. All right, Saturday, and we're doing tacos. So I gotta go wash the pans and utensils and everything else like that. Gotta make sure they're clean, and I'm out my dad over here already, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so I just need to wash everything. I'm gonna do the grill, scrub it down, make sure it's nice and shiny, and then set up the table just to get chopping. Everything soaking in the warm hot water with baking soda, Ajax, dish soap, everything. But let's continue, let's get it. All right, bet. So we packed everything. I didn't record, my fault, but this is how we pack it, and let's just go. So you guys can see it, we're in the truck, we're going right now. My dad's getting the salsa. We do make the salsa sometimes, my mother me making it. We're buying the salsa today, and then we gotta go get the beans and then arroz and head to the spot. We low-key a little late. We're on a time crunch. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get all these clips, but I'm still gonna get the clips for y'all because I gotta make this bread and I gotta make this bread off the YouTube. You feel me? Spitting fire. Eminem the real quiet since that drop. Continues also to see how much bread it can make. How many people are gonna be there? How is it gonna be like? Just all of that. I mean, let's get to it. Stop yapping. All right, bet. So we just got to the house. You guys can see I'm in the neighborhood. And it's a house. We're gonna go. My dad just talked to the lady right now. I see in the back, and then we're gonna start unloading, get the meat. I'm gonna try to set it up, my camera up and record, but if I can't, I can't. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, we're gonna go set up and let's get it. So I didn't record us setting it up, but this is the setup. You can see we got the table and we got the grill behind it, and then another table behind it. So let's start cooking it up. And I don't know why, but my dad likes to cook. I saw the first, and if you haven't guessed, yes, I'm doing this business with my dad. He's been a cook for years, so why would I try to cook and be like bland and whatever and stuff like that? So I'm gonna let him do his job, but I am helping. I'm just not recording because who's gonna record me? He doesn't like recording. He don't know how to record, bro. He's a boomer. Nah, I'm just playing. But so you see, we're cooking the asada first. Now we're cooking al pastor, and then while he's cooking it up, this is my job to set up the serving area where they're gonna do all the condiments and everything else. And now we're cooking the chicken. Now this one we have to make sure it's cooked, or else you can get the salmonella. And you can see my dad cooking the chicken with the peppers and the jalapenos. Now we're doing the tortillas and the quesadillas to make sure we got everything right before we serve, so we could do it with efficiency. You feel me? So we're gonna get ready for the rush. I gotta put y'all away, my fault. So after the serving rush, we gotta eat. So this is my quesadilla. I'm just showing you the process on how we make them with the meat, the cheese, and the tortilla. We just put it on, we flip it. We don't want to burn it, so we put it right there. We had a little meat left, so we told them let's do the last rush, and you can see my dad prepping new tortillas, and then let's get to it, man. We're almost done, but we still gotta wait for them. It was a kid's birthday party. The family hired us out. We gave them the leftovers, and now we're done. All right, bet. So we packed up everything. I don't know if you guys can see in the back. Deuces. Done. 2:30. Started at 6 a.m. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1.
8 hours. Got 100. He did not start at 6 a.m.
He's yapping. All right, bet. So today was a successful day. I like to think I made $100 and my dad made 300. But we got to take into consideration the time, gas, the money we spent on the supplies. We'll do all the math and all that. But I'm going to continue this title so all summer. I'm going to get bookings from every single weekend almost. So I'm going to see how much we can actually really run up. Now, we even have one tomorrow. So I'm probably going to do a part 2 to this. I'm going to just continue going because, like, bro, why not? Some bread. So we packed everything done. Got the money. Today was a successful day. See y'all later.
Monopoly money, bro.